So I record the runner, the distance. Old-fashioned scorebook. It's a paper scorebook. That's what it is. We got a guy doing this year. We got a guy doing taking stats on that.
There we go.
Tell what number it is.
Homework. I know.
Install to dump water up the Space Needle?
Probably.
But guess what?
What?
But why is it against law?
Because people don't want to get water all over them for no reason.
Someone like Sid, but a really long time ago. Thanks, buddy. I just cannot stop being thirsty. Yep.
Look how much.
There we go. Oh. The side would scare you?
Yeah, and like with one hand.
Come on, John. Come on, John. Dang.
And I tripped and fell off, and then I landed with my hand in the air, and then ouch. Second is...
Same thing as we played them in the Jamboree, and Coach Terrence and Daryl both said that they did pretty good against them.
Whoa, that's scary.
Yeah, stay back. There it is.
You found it, huh, Chad? Little does he know that I don't want to.
Look at that.
What's going on with his focus?
What team is winning? Yeah.
Oh.
I'm it about to land. I'm about to land.
Lady, lady.
I'm about to land.